Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can orderly shut down your VTScada if your laptop battery were to go to a certain percentage of power usage or left on your system there. Let me show you what I mean by that. So let's say if you have a VTScada running on this computer and your computer is a laptop, you want to orderly shut down so that you will not corrupt the VTScada application. In order to do that setup, you're going to have to go open your Windows Explorer. In here, go to the location where you have installed your VTScada, not the application, but the VTScada. By default, it is in C drive, VTScada. I'm going to maximize this a bit and look for the file called setup.ini. This file here. So you can open this file using any text editor. I'm going to use this Sublime. My text editor is Sublime. I'm going to drag it over here, expand this a bit. And if you scroll down somewhere around here, you can see orderly shutdown. So if normally by default is 0, which is disabled. If you want to orderly shut down, gonna have to put this to 1, right, to orderly shut down. And if your laptop is running on a battery, you have an option to specify the percentage of battery or the time remaining on the battery, right, either or. Then if this is reached, you will orderly shut down. Another thing that you're gonna have to do is also you can report low battery. You can put it down here as 1 as well, right? Shut down VTScada when the report battery is low. So you're gonna have to enable this and this. So this will look at your battery. Enabling this will look at your battery, and if it's 10% or 15%, it will trigger an orderly shutdown. Once that's done, you're gonna have to save it, and you're gonna have to restart your VTScada application on your laptop. Then the application will be applied. If you find this tip helpful and useful, please subscribe and like. Other than that, have a good day. Bye.